In this video, I'll talk about how you can cancel your order and get your money back on Temu. Now what you have to do is log into your account, go to your profile and head over to your orders. Now I'll show you how it's done from in here. So what you want to do is log into your account, head over to your orders from in here. And once you're in orders, you want to find the order that you want to cancel. So if it says processing or pending, you might be able to cancel it. So if you can cancel it from in there, just cancel it and you'll automatically get your money back. Now, if it has already been shipped and you wanna get your money back, what you can do is just head into the same place, orders, and find the item that you wanna refund. So just click on it and you should be able to click on the return option. And then what you can do is return the item and you will get your money back. So that is basically how it works, guys. It's pretty easy and pretty simple. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.